so this is the end result. The hinge is on there, and if you want, you can go ahead and do some final touches with the painting or do another layer in the middle. But yeah. And also, I want to show. Sorry. So then, if you're a paparazzi consultant, it comes with these. If you buy the kit, some of the kits come with these already. So you just pop them in here and organize it however you want. And then these are like little rubbers so that the hanger doesn't fall. You just stick them in there. And then there goes your display. You just think whatever you want, or however you want to organize it. Just hang up your jewelry like that. So if you're interested or have any questions, just comment below or message me on my page. I'll put it in the description, my webpage. If you're interested in buying them, I can also give you prices on the different sizes, and we can talk about prices and that later. But that's it. So this is the small one, and the big one is this one. The big one is really big, and maybe in the future I'll put a video on how to add like a handle to the small one to walk around in it. Because that's another thing I want to do. I want to put a handle on it so I can just carry it on my shoulder, or carry it. It's much easier to carry. That's one of my next videos. And also I want to add like a type of cloth in the middle, because I was starting to use these, but I don't like them because yes, they do protect your jewelry from bumping into each other, but I don't like it that it falls off or that this breaks easily. So I'm thinking of buying some type of cloth and like maybe like screw it in there so that it stays in the middle, and then I could just pull it over like a little curtain and leave it in the back. So that's another thing I want to add in this one. But I'll post another video for that. For now, this is what I have so far. And if you're interested, just contact me. Like I said, look in the comments below or reach out to me, message me on Facebook, my Facebook page. And yes, that's it. Thank you.